Viewers and subscribers, welcome again to your favorite YouTube channel. Now, there was a major standoff today with police personnel and gunmen who held up and robbed a store in Maypen, Clarendon, and also held two Chinese nationals as hostage. Now, Jamaican Drama TV have live footage of the shootout. But before you watch this video, remember to click the subscribe button to get your daily uploads and for other videos that are trending in Jamaica.
Let's go down there. No. And then gone nice, you want to keep that? You going on there, what I talk about? Yeah, then they ride them. Then did it, then what have to do it? But the police and lock up the place and some soldiers to come now. They take too long to come, daddy. So they might take too long, that them and then they do it. Then do it, then do it. There's a soldier to come down, but the soldier takes so long to come. I tell you about me if I that place, no? No, the man them dead. The man them gone nice supermarket. They just have a nice supermarket. They have a very nice supermarket. Police get gunshot and open, sir. And soldier not come on now. Where's soldier in there? And a man turn up on the door here. Yo, I keep going to get the money and everything. A beer rifle, you know what they have enough? More come. So police are come. Soldier are come. They now get you again about buckler. They now get you again. When Hilux come up there, sir, they now get you again. Gunshot or fire now, you know. I bought the pinty blood clear rifle, they come and some soldiers and some police, them, you know. You bought them pinty rifle out there. The police them up there, sir. Yeah, man. I those police and soldiers we quarrel them. I just quarrel them, them can't get you again. They come like a white two box out there, you know. A white two box out, they come and fight it while they come in there, you know. Them can't get you again, them get fucked. Them just get fucked, them get pinned down. I tell you. Them not get you again. Them can't get you again. Them a try beat up some shot, but them can't get you again. Too much police night. Too much police and soldier night town. Them can't. Yo, Mr. Them can't get you again. Sure, I'm moving up to the next time. They come back car, shot by a fire, I said, but police them, yo, then can't get you again. I tell you. They can't get you, take a miracle for them get you. Police them don't stop. Them can't get you again. Whole town now correct. Them can't get you again. Say, boy, I knock you rifle right there, you know. Boy, I knock you off your fuck. Then why helicopter and sitting there? I think you say you that town. See that? Eh? And be a police. So they start coming. What? The boy now push out your rifle. Police come away. I want to go back, say, boy, you have to be away. More police are coming. They want them to come from one direction. I fool them, you know. And then we town, you know. When heavy artillery, you know, them boy over there, that soldier and police, a chain boy there. Chain boy there. Boy in chain. Waste and rounds, man. I'm a curry the place now. Some gonna blow gun street. Some gone around. Yeah, them a grown and grown. Boy, them all dead, man. Them all get catch. Where helicopter there, M16. You put your guns like police come away. They know say serious. They know say serious. They know get the shot still and then tap up so. They know say serious. Them all dead, man. Okay, and when they China them as hostage. Bomb clot. As hostage, then when they China them as hostage. Twice China them. Yeah, you want to do it. You want to try to run, China, run, what the fuck are they? Run! Then call them back. Like, they want to say, when I go back out with anything, and they're not escape. They be trying them to blood clot. That's why I try them. That's why I try them. I'm not trying to move. They're not going nowhere at all. The boy, you're not nervous. The boy, you're not nervous right now. The boy, you're not nervous now. Boy, you know they're going to fuck. A train boy, them. A train boy, them, but them all got prison. Because they're all dead. They don't know what's it. But I know not supposed to come there. Helicopter in a year yet. Me pay lame daddy. Me pay lame, me have the whole action part with it. You if a gunshot about side China then years, you know. You could make a 2 state police over station to push it. You could make a 2 police alone over station. Acha, I'm going to go. I'm going to go back. 2 Pro Box out here. 2 Pro Box. 3 Pro Box. Then now I'm going to go, man. I'm going to drive out. All the China there. A taxi there, he was no. Yeah, man, one of them. They don't shoot the boy head. They don't shoot him. They don't shoot a fool. They don't shoot the fool. Man, they make him enjoy with your blood clot. Man, they make him roll with. Then go with the China them. Then go with the China them. Go with the China them. Boom.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, share this video, and I hope you subscribe to our channel.